So, how do you monitor and troubleshoot Azure Data Factory pipelines in production?
Well, monitoring ADF pipelines involves using Azure Monitor and log analytics to keep track of pipeline runs. In a recent project, we set up alerts for failed pipeline activities and used log analytics to query detailed logs for deeper insights. This was particularly useful when we had to ensure data freshness for our financial reporting system.
That's interesting. Can you tell me more about how you set up those alerts and what specific metrics you tracked?
Sure, we configured alerts based on metrics like failed activities, pipeline duration exceeding expected times, and data movement failures. Actually, using Azure Monitor, we were able to create threshold-based alerts that notified our team via email and SMS, which was crucial for quick response times.
And when it comes to troubleshooting, how do you use log analytics effectively?
In my experience, log analytics is powerful for diagnosing issues. We created custom queries to filter logs based on error codes and activity types. This allowed us to pinpoint problems quickly. For instance, during a data ingestion phase, we noticed consistent failures due to malformed JSON payloads, which we resolved by adjusting our data validation logic.
It sounds like you've got a solid process. How do you ensure that these changes don't introduce new issues?
That's a great point. We implemented a version control strategy using Git to manage our pipeline definitions. This allowed us to track changes and roll back if necessary. Additionally, we used a testing framework within ADF to simulate data flows, which helped in identifying potential issues before deploying changes to production.
Great! Thank you for sharing those insights from your project experience. That covers monitoring and troubleshooting ADF pipelines comprehensively.